I'm Robinette, and I'm here to talk to you about garage safety and my experiences. My late husband was a car mad man from the time he grew up on the farm in Swan Hill, where his first car was a Bush Basher. Bob's last car was a 1967 MGB Mark II. He had to make a choice of the MG or me back when we first got married. So he finally got his MG. It might have been 46 years later, but Bob was very knowledgeable when it came to working around and under cars. He was working under his car. The car was on ramps, but the car rolled off the ramps and he was trapped underneath it. I got that dreaded phone call, and the rest's history, really. So from that moment, my life and the life of my children changed dramatically. I would hate to think that this could happen to anybody else. This is not a rarity. This happens more often than people could possibly imagine. It can happen to anybody. I'm making a plea to you, make Bob's legacy the fact that you have taken an extra few minutes to not to rush and to take your time, and you've been careful. It's your life, and it's the life of your family and your children and your grandchildren. Sitting at home alone, it's awful. Nobody to talk to. And I miss having a hug. Miss that a lot.
Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.